Easily lift your eyebrows at home. If you like to lift your eyebrows, this video will help you a lot. Let's get started. First, lubricate your eyebrows with olive or coconut or almond oil. We have 5 important massages. We only need to do this for 30 seconds. Let's practice together. Try to raise your eyebrows upwards. You can use your 4 fingers. Do a circular massage with your 2 fingers like me. Massage your eyebrows linearly. Now it is the turn under the eyebrows. Massage under the eyebrows linearly. You should pull the corners of your eyebrows up. You were great. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.